Today is our first day in elementary school. We are very exciting to open the school for the children of Eshkol. We are very happy and also a little sad because we are not all together here.
ישמחו להקשיב ולדעת. עוד פעם, מה השאלה?
It's exciting to be here. On the same time, is nervous and want his parents to be with him. And I hope he will feel safe.